Period. Used at the end of a statement to show that a thought is complete. It gives the reader a clear signal to stop before moving on to the next sentence. Question mark. Placed at the end of a sentence to show you're asking something. It turns a statement into a question and lets the reader know you expect an answer or a response. Exclamation mark. Adds excitement, urgency, or strong emotion to your sentence. It can show surprise, anger, happiness, or any strong feeling, and is used at the end of a sentence. Comma. Separates ideas within a sentence, divides items in a list, and gives extra information. It helps make sentences easier to read and keeps your ideas organized. Quotation marks. Shows the exact words someone said or wrote. They can also be used for titles in works like poems, songs, or articles. Hyphen. Joins words together to make compound words or splits a word at the end of a line of text. It keeps the meaning clear and words connected. Parenthesis. Holds extra information, clarifications, or side notes that aren't essential to the main sentence, but add helpful details or explanations. Dash. Creates a strong pause in a sentence, gives extra information, or adds emphasis. It's longer than a hyphen and is often used for dramatic effect or smooth interruptions. Colon. Used to introduce a list, an example, a quotation, or an explanation that follows the first part of the sentence. It signals that something important is coming next. Semicolon. Links two closely related sentences without using a conjunction like and or but. It can also separate items in a list when those items already contain commas. Apostrophe. Shows ownership or makes contractions by combining words and replacing missing letters. For example, don't or your. Ellipsis. Shows that something has been left out or that something is not finished. It can also trail off a sentence to show uncertainty or hesitation.